Okay, good day everyone. No, let us continue about our lesson that we have discussed, which is all about geometric sequence. No, but this time I will discuss to you the general term of geometric sequence. So just like arithmetic sequence, may general term din siya. Okay, the general term of geometric sequence is a sub n equals to a sub 1 r n minus r raised to n minus 1. Okay, so ito yung general term niya. If in a geometric progression, another term for sequence yan, progression, a sub 1 is equal to 2 and r is equal to 2, write the eighth term. So ano yung pang eighth term kung yung first term natin is 2? Okay, solution, your a sub 1 is 2, your r is 2, then the number of terms is, since 8 term ang hinahanap, so nasa 8 term tayo. Okay, then substitute your a sub n is equal to a sub 8 na, since yung last term ang hinahanap dito. Then yung a sub 1 is 2, your r is 2, raised to your n is 8 minus 1. Okay? Then 2 times 2 raised to 8 minus 1 is 7. Then we have 2 times 2 raised to 7. No, ibig sabihin 7 times natin i-multiply yung 2 by itself. 2 times 2 times 2 times 2 times 2 times 2 times 2. So 7 yon. And that is equal to 128. Then times 2 ulit. And your 8th term is equal to 256. Okay? So madali lang. Another one. If the geometric progression is 1/3, 2/3, 4/3, find the common ratio of the 5th term. I mean the common ratio and the 5th term. So common ratio tsaka yung 5th term ang hinahanap, no? Again, we have a sub 1 equal to 1/3. R is 2. So paano naging 2 yung R? No? Again, divide 2/3 divided by 1/3 is equal to 2/3 over 2/3 times 3 over by 1. Kukunin natin yung reciprocal nito since nasa fraction tayo. Then proceed to multiplication. So magiging 2 times 3 is 6. 1 times 3 is 3. So 6 divided by 3 is 2. So that's why your common ratio here is 2. No, hindi ko kasi nailagay yung solution, no? Pero anyway, ganun din naman yung process. Okay? Then your n here, since fifth term ang hinahanap, we have 5. 5 number of terms. Substitute, ito na. Ito pala, yan. 2/3 divided by 1/3 is equal to 2/3 times 3 half. I mean 3 over by 1. Okay, cancel out. We have, or ito na, 2 times 3 is 6. Na pwede rin naman cancel out, no? 2 times 3 is 6. 3 times 1 is 3. 6 divided by 3 is 2. Next, substitute to your general term. Your a sub n is a sub 5 na, equal to your a sub 1 is 1/3 times your r is 2 raised to your n is 5 minus 1. Okay? Simplify. 5 minus 1, magiging 4 yan. So you have 2 raised to 4. Then 2 raised to 4 is equal to, ibig sabihin 2 raised to 4, we will multiply 2 4 times by itself. We have 1, 2 times 2 times 2 times 2 is equal to 16. 1/3 times 16, and that is equal to 16 over by 3. Ito yung magiging fifth term natin. Okay? Another one. Now, what is the first term of a geometric sequence whose sixth term is 320 and the common ratio is 2? This time, yung nawawala is yung first term. No? Okay. Your a sub 6 is 320. Your r is 2. Your n is 6 kasi nga nasa 6th term tayo. Okay, substitute. Your a sub n would become a sub 6, and then your a sub 6 would become 320. So 320 yan. Equal to your a sub 1 is unknown. Your r is 2 raised to your n 6 minus 1. Okay. 2 raised to 6 minus 1 is 5. No? So multiply 2 5 times by itself. So we have 320 equal to a sub 1 times 32. Then divide both sides by 32. 320 divided by 32 is, okay, cancel out muna to, is 10 equal to your a sub 1 here times 32 divided by 32, cancel out. Then your a sub 1 is 10. Yan ang first term natin, 10. Okay? Yes, no, ito na. Exercise tayo. Now use the general term for geometric sequence to solve the unknown terms. Now, what is the 10th term of the geometric sequence? Okay. What is the geometry? I mean, the 10th term of the geometric sequence 2, 6, 1854, and 162. So using the general term, no, we will come up with this answer. A sub 10 is equal to 39,366. Bakit? Ano yung magiging common ratio dito? 6 divided by 2 is 3. Okay? Next, if the first term of the geometric sequence is 7 and the common ratio is 2, what is the 7th term? Again, using the general term, no, you will come up with this answer. A sub 7 equal to 448. Okay? If the first term of the geometric sequence is negative 40 and the common ratio is 1/4, what is the 9th term? Okay, using this, no? Pang ilan, ano yung pang 9th term natin? That is 65,536. Okay? That's it. Okay, thank you for listening. Again, do not forget to answer your exercises. No? So that's all. Thank you and goodbye.